Now, the Wabash Valley's most watched newscast continues with Storm Team 10 meteorologist David Wire, certified by the American Meteorological Society.
Good afternoon, everybody. Here we go. We've had a relatively quiet morning. Sure, it's been windy. It will continue to be windy as far as watches and warnings go. Nothing as far as severe weather because of thunderstorm activity or anything like that. But what we do have, hey, it's windy outside. We've got a wind advisory between 40 and 50 mile an hour wind speeds. We've already seen wind gusts as high as 40 miles per hour. They will continue to be around for the entire Wabash Valley this afternoon, and then we're going to throw in the chance for thunderstorms as well. So again, as far as thunderstorms, tornado, or flood warnings, we don't have anything of that nature right now, but we do have a wind advisory with some strong winds out of the south. Now that's actually helping in the severe weather development category for thunderstorms this afternoon. Our temperature's very mild, and well, how about that weekend? Really nice, right? We were in the 80s. It wasn't muggy. Sure, it was warm. But again, that added plenty of moisture to the atmosphere. And here we go, day 3 or 4 even of that in some areas with temperatures in the 80s. Winds out of the south, warm temperatures, boom. That's going to be a recipe for rain showers and thunderstorms. Not only that, but the threat for severe weather exists. The reason a thunderstorm this afternoon would become severe is because of gusty winds within this. The history of the line of thunderstorms I'll show you in just a second, which hasn't approached the Wabash Valley just yet. We saw a couple scattered showers around Decatur, a few up along Interstate 57 north of Champaign a couple of hours ago, but all's quiet now. The history with that line of rain that's going to move in, it did produce severe weather yesterday throughout Iowa and does have the potential to do that here today. There's a look at the thickest clouds. Mattoon, Effingham, Flora, west of there, those clouds are the ones that are rainmakers, and those are the ones that will develop rain showers for us. So we still have a few hours before they try to move in. With the clouds we've got overhead, they're now starting to thicken up a bit and taking away some of our sunshine. But look at this to the east, Bloomington, Spencer, Linton, down to Shoals and near the Crane area. Plenty of sunshine here, even broken clouds north of Paris looking good, but still some clouds along the Wabash River from Robinson up to Terre Haute. Look at that, 82 degrees down in Vincennes, a very mild midday, and it's not going to warm up a whole lot from here as the clouds will move in. More importantly right now, look at these wind speeds. Indianapolis, 46 mile an hour wind gusts last hour. That's incredible. It is going to, again, continue to be very, very windy last hour in Terre Haute, 40 mile an hour wind speeds. So if you're just going to do some driving, you need to know that it's going to, again, stay windy, but also really broken up. This is going to be a defined line. We also oftentimes this time of year see squall lines of thunderstorms. That's what this is going to develop into this afternoon. We're all going to see some rain as a result of this, and it will become more defined as we go through the day today. So to put some time to it, it still is going to take some time before it gets developed. And it's going to be closer to 3, 4 or 5 o'clock this afternoon, of course, starting at central Illinois first. Again, don't forget about the wind speeds here, temperatures in the lower 80s, but by 4 o'clock, that's where we're going to really start to see rain showers developing. We'll have a couple pop-up thunderstorms ahead of this line trying to develop as early as, say, 1:30 or 2 o'clock this afternoon. But as far as the cold front causing this, the heaviest rain and thunderstorms moving through, it looks like it's going to be closer to 6 and 7 o'clock this evening near the 8 o'clock hour as well. At that point, the cold front's not moved through just yet. It becomes a little disorganized and moves to the north, but that doesn't mean we don't get rain. Count on rain and thunderstorms this afternoon. Count on them tonight as well as tomorrow morning. We'll be down in the lower 60s. Your winds will be out of the southwest in the morning. Shift as we get into the afternoon to be out of the north. So a little cooler. We're going to find daytime highs back to average. 80 stuff isn't supposed to be happening yet. We'll find daytime highs in the 60s with still some scattered showers left over for you tomorrow. So this is going to be around for at least a couple of days. The threat for thunderstorms and severe weather only exists later this afternoon as well as the overnight hours into the first part of tomorrow. So we've already got temperatures in the 80s outside, very warm. We've got gusty winds out of the south and thunderstorms trying to develop. Nothing out there for us at this hour. We'll keep some rain around tonight. Tomorrow again, scattered thunderstorms in the morning, scattered rain in the afternoon, cooler but average, a high of 68. And looking ahead right now, Wednesday looks to be the quiet day of the week with rain back Thursday and Friday. This time of year, when we get rain showers here, now that we're getting close to May, they're not only rain showers, but they're thunderstorms, and that's what we've got Thursday and Friday. And of course, Susie, if anything becomes severe, we'll keep an eye on it for you. You'll get that right at the bottom of your screen with our instant warn system. Any watches or warnings, we'll let you know.